नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम लोग लिस्ट ऑफ फर्स्ट वुमेन इन इंडिया देखेंगे। फर्स्ट वुमेन है निर्मला सीतारमन। निर्मला सीतारमन इंडियाज फर्स्ट टाइम फुल टाइम वुमेन फिनेंस मिनिस्टर। GS लक्ष्मी, फर्स्ट एवर वुमेन टू बी अपॉइंटेड टू द ICIC इंटरनेशनल पैनल ऑफ मैच रेफरीज। नेक्स्ट है बृंदा राठी, the first female national umpire to officiate in T20 contest. Next है आरोही पंडित, the first Indian woman to cross the Atlantic Ocean solo in light sports aircraft. Nirmala Sitharaman again. India's first woman defense minister Gagandeep Kang, first Indian woman to be elected at Royal Society Fellow. Hina Jaiswal, the first Indian woman flight engineer. Divya Karand, the first Indian woman to receive Future of Nature Award for Marine Conservation. Harmeet Kaur, the first woman cricketer scored a century in T20. Captain Divya Ajit, the first female officer to lead a contingent on Army Day parade. Lieutenant Bhavna Kasturi, the first female to lead Indian Army Service Corps, that is ASC contingent, comprises of 144 male personnel. Captain Sikha Surbi, first female to lead Army's Daredevil motorcycle display team for first time, comprises of 33 men. Aditi Ashok, the first Indian female golfer to win Ladies Europe Tour. Diksha Dagar, the youngest Indian woman to win the Ladies European Tour. Arunima Sinha, the first female amputee to climb Mount Vinson, the highest peak of Antarctica. Hima Das, the first Indian woman athlete to win a gold at world level in women 400 meter final race in IAAF World Under 20 Athletic Championship. Rahi Sarnobat, first Indian woman to win a shooting gold in Asian Game. Savitribai Phule became the first woman teacher in India. Annie Besant, the first female president of Indian National Congress. Pandit A. Ramabai, the first Indian woman to be awarded a Kesar-e-Hind medal by British Raj. Sarojini Naidu, the first Indian born female president of Indian National Congress. Sarla Thakral, the first Indian woman to fly an aircraft. Asima Chatterjee, the first Indian woman to be conferred the Doctorate of Science by Indian University. Amrit Kaur, the first female cabinet minister of India in the country's first cabinet. Anandibai Gopalrao Joshi, the first Indian female physician. Sheila Davre, country's first woman auto rickshaw driver who when she first stepped into male dominated zone. Aarti Saha, the first Indian and Asian woman to swim across English Channel. She also became the first female sportsperson to be awarded as Padam Shri in 1960. Mother Teresa, the first Indian woman to win the Nobel Prize in Peace. Indira Gandhi, the first woman Prime Minister of India and served from 1966 to 1977. In 1971, she became the first woman to receive Bharat Ratna Award. Pratibha Patil. The first woman president of India and held office from July 2007 to July 2012. Kalpana Chawla. The first female woman who reached in space as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. She went into space in 1977. Next, Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi became the first IPS officer of India. Moreover, later in 2003, Kiran Bedi also became the first woman who was appointed as the United Nations Civil Police Advisor. Anjali Gupta. Anjali Gupta is the first female flying officer in Indian Air Force to be court-martialed. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, the first woman President of United Nations General Assembly. Anna Chandy, the first Indian woman Judge of High Court, Kerala High Court. Sucheta Kriplani, the first Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh and the first woman to hold that position in any Indian state. Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay, Raman Magsaysay Award for Community Leadership. Kamaljit Sandhu, the first Indian woman to win gold in Asian Games. Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal became the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Surekha Yadav, the first Asian woman loco pilot or railway driver. Justice M. Fatima Bibi, the first woman judge of Supreme Court of India. Priya Jhingan, the first lady cadet to join Indian Army. Meera Kumar, the first female Speaker of Lok Sabha. Priyanka N. drove the inaugural train of the Namo Metro, becoming the first female Indian metro pilot. Mithali Madhumita, the first woman officer to win Sena Medal for Gallantry. Tanushree Parikh, the first female combat officer commissioned in BSF, that is Border Security Force. Sania Mirza, the first ever Indian woman to win Women's Tennis Association, that is WTA title in 2005. Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal became the first Indian woman to win medal in badminton at 2012 Olympic Games. And later in 2015 she became the first Indian woman to secure number 1 position in world ranking. Mary Kom, 5th time world amateur boxing champion. She is the only Indian woman boxer to have qualified for 2012 Summer Olympic. Deepa Malik, first medal and that's silver won by her in Paralympic Games in Summer Paralympics 2016. Susmita Sen, the first Miss Universe. Tasi and Nancy Malik, the first twins ever to conquer Mount Everest together. Dr. Neeru Chadha, the first Indian woman to be elected as judge of International Tribunal for Law of the Sea, that is ITLOS, International Tribunal for the Law of Sea. Premlata Agrawal, the first Indian woman mountaineer to scale the 7 continental peaks. Neeta Ambani, the first Indian woman who became the individual members of International Olympic Committee. Mahel Musa, the first Indian woman who reached Antarctica. Ashapurna Devi, the first woman to receive Jannipath Award. Neeraj Bhanot, the first woman to receive Ashok Chakra. Razia Sultan, the first and last Muslim woman ruler of Delhi. Sushma Chawla, the first woman chairperson of Indian Airlines. P. Bandyopadhyay, the first woman Air Vice Marshal. Punita Arora, the first woman Lieutenant General of Army Medical Corps. Miss C.B. Muthumma, the first woman ambassador. Santosh Yadav, the first woman to climb Mount Everest twice. Mrs. Leela Seth, the first woman Chief Justice of High Court. Harita Kaur Deol, the first woman pilot of Indian Air Force. Rose Millian Bethue, the first woman chairman of UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission. Kanchan Chaudhary Bhattacharya, first woman Director General